Boom, what is happening, my friend? It's Cameron Wilkinson here, and in this video I want to show you the elements of a top money making sales funnel. So if you know what a sales funnel is, that's great. I'm going to show you the different steps of a top money making sales funnel, and it's going to be really cool. I only really learned about this, I sort of knew about it, but I didn't really know how to implement it for myself. Recently I've started to implement it, and I've been working on traffic generation strategies and stuff like that, but I think it's going to be a really great idea if you're into this type of thing, and I hope you enjoy it. So basically, when we think about a funnel, you know, a funnel is like, it's kind of like a website, but it's based around direct response marketing, so it's best for small businesses and things like that there, especially when you're running ads. You want to be running ads to a landing page and generating leads automatically, so you don't really have to be there. And the funnel is like a little salesperson that sells stuff for you around the clock, 365 days a year, 7 days a week, as long as you know how to build one correctly. So this is what I want to share with you in this video. It's taken me quite some time to figure these sort of moving parts out, and it's going to save you a lot of time as well if you can pick up on these ideas. So I'm going to show you some examples and that there, something that I've made for myself, and some ideas I guess here, because this is out of my course, the Limitless Lifestyle Blueprint course. And I'm gonna share some ideas out of this course for you. I'm gonna pull up the page here and I'll just show you. So inside the Limitless Lifestyle Blueprint course, we talk about the elements of a top money making generating sales funnel, and one of the elements in there is like it's called an Irresistible Freemium. So an Irresistible Freemium is something that you can give away for free in exchange for an email address and stuff like this here, because it's a lot easier to ask someone for their email address first than before you ask them for their credit card details. So you want to ask someone to make like a little micro commitment. It's nothing big. People can get in, get a little taste of what you have to offer and things like that without really risking too much about their email address and their name, things like this here. So very first element you will have in your top money making generating sales funnel is a freemium, irresistible freemium, something so good that your ideal customer would just love to have. So this is what you want to kind of make. You want to make your irresistible freemium. Then the next part is your Tripwire, and your Tripwire is something that's super low ticket. It's nothing too big, nothing too expensive, and it's maybe in around the price range of around $7, $24, $60, $68, alright up to $98, things I guess here, $97, maybe up to like $147, maybe $200, something that's on the lower end, the lower price end, for someone to just get in and actually buy something to get their foot in the door. And it's going to be your Tripwire, and your Tripwire is going to be the element, the part of it, of where you're going to be making money, and the money is going to be going into your bank. So it's really important to have this type of thing in place, really to generate yourself a cash flow, immediate cash flow as fast as possible, so you can take that money and put it back into advertising, advertise your Irresistible Freemium, keep building your list, selling your Tripwire funnel. And your Tripwire offer is going to be getting people into your world. And what you want to do when you get someone into your world is you want to deliver a world-class, phenomenal experience that's going to create loyal raving fans and customers for life. So maybe it's like a low barrier of entry. It's something it's got enough value in there, and something that you can wow people with. And the ideal thing that you can do with this here, depending on what you're doing online, is having your own online course. So depending on what it is you're doing, if you're doing cooking, you're doing golfing, you're doing hunting, you're doing fishing, you're doing this type, all these different, any type of these things, whatever your expertise is, you can make yourself a little mini course, a little crash course, and you can use it as a Tripwire offer that's low ticket, something low ticket that gets people in the door. You can show them so much value inside that course that it creates loyal raving fans and customers for life. And this is what you want to do. You want to under promise and over deliver. Well, really over deliver with your Tripwire offer. And then once someone gets into your first course, this is the third part, and the third part is really having your core offer. So inside the course is going to be like a crash course, and it's not going to be too expensive for people to get in. Then once they're inside that crash course and they get the value, and then they're loving the program and things, I guess here, then at the end of the program you can ask people to join or become a part of your main core offer and things, I guess here. So in the main core offer is when someone gets to that point, they're going to have the right frame of mind. They're already have bought from you before, and if you've done the right thing in the first place, you're going to have wowed them enough to be able to create loyal raving fans for life. And it's really, really cool idea. This is how you build tribe members and stuff like this here. And once people get into, say, your core offer after the Tripwire offer, then this is where the fourth part comes in, and it's called your profit maximizers. And your profit maximizers are your affiliate products, which is really, really interesting. Now, from time and time again, after watching super affiliates and people who are absolutely crushing it online with affiliate marketing and things, I guess here, I've seen this over and over again. And what you don't want to do is you don't want to ever promote a product directly. So it's the wrong thing to be doing. And this is why it's so important to have your own Irresistible Freemium, your own Tripwire offer, and then your own core offer. And then when people have gotten to your core offer and things, I guess here, it means that they're really engaged, they're customers, they're already buyers, they're buying from you, and that's when you introduce your profit maximizers and things, I guess here. And there's different ways that you can find this type of stuff out. I show you all inside the Limitless Blueprint course. You can find it on CameronLimitless.com and things like that there. So these are the four main parts of a top money making generating sales funnel, and it's your Irresistible Freemium. And then you want to have a Tripwire offer, and very important because the Irresistible Freemium is going to help you to build a list of people all interested in the same thing. Your Tripwire offer is going to help you to generate cash flow as fast as possible, a low ticket item that over delivers in value and creates raving loyal customers and fans of your business. Then in the Tripwire offer, you're going to be building a buyer's list. So something that I done wrong at the start for a long time was just delivered value, and never really sold to the people on my email list or the people in my community and things, I guess here. And what I noticed was when I started to sort of sell and promote these unique offers, I had some people email me back saying I don't want it, buy and things, I guess here, and that's alright, you know. But see, what I done was I built up a list of followers, and I was conditioning people to come consume my content and things, I guess here. And really what we're in business for, we're in business really to solve problems and help people and generate money and make sales. So what I wasn't doing, I wasn't selling really to anybody. I was just creating value. And then when I decided to sell stuff, I sort of might have upset a few people, but there was a majority of people who did like it and followed through and things, I guess here. So it's important that you know that you're in the business of acquiring customers and not followers, because that's what we do when we're doing the Limitless Lifestyle business, things, I guess here. So after you've got someone and they're loving your Tripwire offer, which gets someone in the door, it helps you to generate money to be able to put into advertising and things, I guess here, and build your business even more. Then in your core offer is going to be a little bit more money, and it's going to be a little bit more investment, a lot more value. It's actually going to be the actual tactics, how-tos, more one-on-one type of stuff and things, I guess here maybe. And it's going to be a little bit more expensive. So when someone comes through your Tripwire offer, they get the value that they're looking for and they're ready to take the next step. Then you can introduce them to your main core offer, and that's where you're going to get sort of a bit bigger sales, and where you can introduce your profit maximizers. And like I said, all these different people and super affiliates and all, they never promoted a product directly, and this is how you do it right. You don't want to really be promoting something directly, running ads directly to affiliate link and things, I guess here. You want to have your own business built in front of it, and then you can have affiliate stuff in the back. Also, you can have supplemental little unique marketing systems that promote different products as well. which is a really cool idea, my friend. So I hope you liked this video on the top 4 elements of a money making, generating sales funnel, and it was your Irresistible Freemium, a Tripwire offer, which can be like a little low ticket course of your own. Then it leads into your main offer, and then you've got your profit maximizers, which are your affiliate products, my friend. Hope you liked it. If you did, make sure and leave me a comment below and let me know what was your favorite part, and if you want to know anything else and anything like that there, my friend. I'll see you soon. Have a great day. Bye bye.